Welcome to Crazy Indian Hacker. Friends, these chicken legs we will not eat, but in many countries more people are eating. These are very high protein food. It is healthy for dogs and also human. We can also eat it. So every week I will go to chicken shop and I will collect some 2 to 3 kgs chicken legs and I will take it and I will pour it hot water and turmeric powder and salt. I always clean the chicken legs like this only. Turmeric powder and salt. It is antibacterial and antifungus or any chemicals or any mud is there, it will come out completely. So hot water will help you kill the any insects are there, it will kill immediately. So I will throw this dirty water outside. After 2 to 3 times complete wash, so I will add some turmeric powder and normal water and I will cook it on stove. The cooker whistles 8 to 9 whistles because of softness should be there and nails also, chicken nails also should melt it. So that is the reason 8 to 9 whistles I will use. So here what I will do exactly means I will separate the bones and flesh. Bones what I will do it means don't give it to the dog because it will hurt inside the dog stomach. I will make it dry those bones and later I will make into the powder and I will mix into the rice. This is what I will give to the dog. So once you remove all the complete bones and you feel that one complete soft nature you got it from the flesh, then I will take 5 to 6 boxes. Why 5 to 6 boxes means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Whole week I will give non-veg at single time cooking. So here you can see here. So totally now I have collected 4 boxes, but usually I will collect 5 to 6 boxes and I will store into the deep. So every day I will take it, again I will add into the rice and I will cook it. So the remaining flesh what I will do it means the rice. How I will reduce rice cost means I will use ration rice. I will use ration rice. We know that one in India, most of the people won't eat ration rice and it will sell it to the shops. But instead of that thing, I will collect from my neighbors and others. Even my ration also, I will add here. So monthly, I will not spend single rupee for dog maintenance. So it is my hobby, that is my interest. Giving chicken legs, it is not a wrong thing. While born, nobody is rich. But you can see here, I am giving fresh food. You can see here, I am giving very fresh food. So dogs are very healthy. So more than 22 years, I am maintaining the dogs without cost. So this is the secret I am following, friends. So I have one Great Dane, one Indian dog. So you can see here they're enjoying like anything this food and they're healthy and I didn't see any health issues. So more than 22 years I'm maintaining the dogs. Many rich people will tell I'm spending to my pets lakhs of money. But instead of lakhs of money, you need love and affection towards your dogs and care. This is ultimate target for your dogs.
Mon bày xong đây nè, mon sụt là đi xong đây nè. వామ్ లేకుండా